Everybody, it's Chantel with Telly's Talking Chuck. How's everybody doing today? I hope you are well. When you're jumping on, say hello, let me know where you're coming in from. Like and follow my business page. Check out my VIP group, Telly's Talking Chuck, VIP. You can also check out my stuff on Instagram and YouTube at Telly's Talking Chuck. If you would like to see my finished pieces, go to tellystalkingchuck.ca. That is also where you will find the business sites to purchase any of the materials here to make your own crafts. I will say today is the very last day that you're going to be able to buy before, and get it to you before Christmas. So if you're going to make a purchase, that is what you need to do. Hey Sam, how are you, hun? I'm just going to get this shared out. If you could do the same, that would be awesome. I like the fact that there's only like one button you have to push all the time rather than going in and searching everything. Okay, there. I will stop there just so that I don't get banned, because that'll be my luck. I'm doing all right, hun. Oh no, that's not good. Did I know you were in the hospital? I don't remember. What's going on? If you don't mind me asking. Oh, I didn't bring my fuzzing cloth. Hubby to the rescue. Oh, almost to the rescue. There we go. So I'm just going to pull this out. We're just going to fuzz it on this fuzzing cloth for a minute. I had another one of these Marion Brights that I've used, but this one I have not. So we're just going to fuzz it. Now when you wash this off and dry it, make sure that you put it down on the shiny side, or it's going to get stuck on the papery side, and that's not going to be fun. Oh, okay. Ooh. Okay, this one doesn't seem to be super sticky, so I'm going to do it a couple more times. Take all of the sticky away. Alright, so we're going to make sure that I do it on the right side, because we do have to put the pin where it's supposed to go. Actually, I don't even know if this one matters. The other one did, because there was an actual hole in it. But they've redone the pillar stand. And so it just screws into the back of it rather than into an actual hole. So I decided to I had asked for colors, and somebody said red and green, but my green is being a pain. So I did red and white. I'm thinking I'm going to do the words in red, and then the stars and the ornaments in the white. So let's just do this up quick. Now keep in mind these are reusable 8 to 12 times. all you have to do is take some water and wash them off. We do have ink as well if you want to make something that's permanent. But with these, we like to be able to change them up a bit for seasons. So we do it up in the paste because it's removable. And I'm actually going to do the and in white as well. I think it'll just tie it in together. I'll just do the actual words in red. I gotta be careful here because I got dots and stars and all of the things right here. Now you do want to do this kind of quickly because it will dry in your transfer if you don't go fast enough. But it should be okay for the time that I'm going to be live, only because this is just a small A size transfer. Keep in mind we have A through E, and E goes all the way up to 18 by 24. And these are just 5 by 7, I believe. The A's. There we go. And we're just going to do up the white. And then we'll peel and reveal. Trying not to get the white in with the red. Scrape it so that it's really thin, because that'll make it a crisper look. I just got it in the red a bit. Oh well. Oh, it's just gonna have a bit of a pink tinge to it. Oh, it's getting worse. Hello everybody, how are you doing today? I'm Chantel with Telly's Talkin' Chalk. I'm a chalk tour designer. Been with the company for almost 3 years. Really? That's crazy. I literally say that all the time, and it just dawned on me how long that is. But I guess because of everything that's been going down these days, that's really different. Now we're just going to pull all this up. Like I said, we got a little bit of the red in there, but that's okay. You ready? Give us some interactions. Show us you love it. I'm going to actually put down the red a little bit more for now. Because it looks like some of it did dry in the transfer. Oh, and okay. It's actually good that I have to go back over this because I didn't do the ampersand yet. And I just noticed. And I didn't do the... What in the world? Paul, why are you not paying attention to me? Your girl is like messing up really bad here right now. She didn't do the ampersand sign and missed the stars on this side. Silly Wheelie. Okay. There we go. Much better. The E's missing a little bit, but that's okay. There we go. Just gonna get that a little closer to you. On my screen it looks orange, but I swear it's candy apple red. But on mine, for some reason it looks seriously orange. But I can go back in and fix that E and T, close that up a bit. But that is our finished project. I hope you all liked it. If you did, give me a thumbs up, let me know. And I will see you guys tomorrow. It being Wednesday, I will be back on at 7 o'clock. And I will see you then. Bye, guys.